It's very easy to hype up a Call of Duty fan. This is their first fucking instance of proximity chat in a video game. They think it's like a revolutionary change. So of course they're fucking hyped. Ah! Yeah! Wait, you can pop the tire? Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Fight to earn redeployment.
Ah, fuck! Come on, man!
What's going on in middle here? This guy is so stressed out. All of this is extremely stressed. Wait for it. Wait for it. Turning. Turning. Going. He's going. All right, one more. You can do it. Yes. It's that easy, dude. You know, it's a little wibbly wobbly, but what can I say, guys? We're top 85% of Poly Bridge on that level, and I think I'm gonna take it. 85 percentile. Like, yeah, I'll take that.
Retard.
What the fuck? Was that really necessary?
Retard. Retard. Retard.
What the
Retard.
The fuck?
Retard. Retard. Retard.
Well, all of them have rust on them, except for...
Chat, you have to promise you will not leave once you see my uwu. Type a 1 if you promise. Okay. Hello, Earthlings! Oh, hello! Oh, do you guys have my Twitch stream?
Like that. Excellent. So, lots of ass and titties. Ow. Ah, fuck. I'm gonna break it if I keep fucking with these. So I need to put these on my wall at some point. I can't wait for my mom to come over and look at my room. That'll be cool. Hey, who's that?
Wait, this, what do I do now?
No, I'm joking. I lied.
What? You knew I was making cream
pies?
pies?
We're making cake pops. We're making cream pies with you.
Well, I was gonna ask if I could use the kitchen to make a cream pie.
Here?
Yeah.
Absolutely, but I have, I might be running in circles. Some production's coming over after the stream today.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, see ya. Huh?
Production is coming over after.
Hey.
Wow, you're Mr. Popular, aren't you?
Be here or not.
Get to the ground level, get
you just step in and we'll just leave. Let's go.
Helipad of Vice.
What do you mean you can be here? It's awesome. Of course you can be here.
Yes, okay. Alright, if they're landing, I need units to watch the Ward D entrance in the main lobby.
I don't know if I can be here. It's such a weird situation.
I think I got at least 3.
Okay.
They're shooting from above.
All right.
We got Lexus shooting and we got 3 from above shooting. You guys can
dick, you fat fuck. All right.
Listen,
if there wasn't 30 of y'all motherfuckers, you would never get us anywhere. Okay?
Yeah.
Use your fucking numbers more, Bass. You're fucking
don't make me
clearly, I have you in custody. Okay.
Coaching. You only lost half your
what am I getting
units,
terrorism
which is
for?
about
Landing a
37
helicopter?
people.
Yeah, if I'd not used this shitty fucking Glock, I'd have got you right away.
Oh my God, because you guys don't know how to regulate your own officers, make them not use class 2s in every fucking gunfight. You're right.
Why don't you worry about your own fucking business?
No, I don't have to. I have to worry about you because you fucking suck at your job.
Really? I suck so bad that I caught you. So what you trying to say?
You caught me. Yeah. You and all 17
what you
other
done.
of you.
I fucking gunned you down in the middle of the street. That was me.
Yeah, it only took 7 of you. Whenever all the other 6 of them were down.
Every time we have you in custody, you
shot
complain
me
about
in the
something,
back.
okay?
And every time you're sitting here, you look even more and more stupid by the day, Beth. You fucking suck at what you do. The only reason you're even able to do it is because there's 37 of you. You're probably gonna.
Bit nervous, but I can see it. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh, bad landing. How far? We're at floor 9. Oh, it's dropping. Okay. I can land there. I can land there. I can land there. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, sure. Oh no, ground floor! Oh!
And his girlfriend adopter just broke up. And why should we care? Because guys can learn a lot from this situation. XQC had no prenup in their relationship and became a millionaire. And just after they broke up, adopter took his house, his McLaren, and all his food.
What?
XQC only took his cat.
Guys,
On paper.
guys, what the fuck am I even watching? How is this even a real thing? It has 150 likes. It has 150. How the fuck is this shit?
He didn't do anything wrong, but everybody knows that
Happy
it
40
is
months
his
sex
hardworking
QCL.
money. XQC have been streaming 12 to 24 hours a day for many years now.
It's a
because
joke?
of content like nobody else, and he's my favorite streamer.
Wait,
so
really?
be careful if you're a hardworking guy or woman and join a relationship, because they can take everything from you in the future. You never know somebody's
Love you,
real
Felix.
intentions.
Keep it up.
There's just no way this guy's still peeking. There ain't no way.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Holy fuck, that's hilarious. Is he still up there? He is.
Damn. Shout, please. No, bro.